Hey, Joe Zarzaur here with another installment of Zarzaur Law TV. Today we're going to talk about a somewhat sensitive subject for lawyers, but it shouldn't be. What to do if you've hired a lawyer, you signed a contract with them, but you get home and you start thinking to yourself, maybe that wasn't the right lawyer for me. So as you know, lawyer TV ads and billboards and radio spots are plentiful these days. And sometimes you fall susceptible to some of the ad campaigns that are going on for law firms. And you make an appointment with a law firm after experiencing a personal injury. And you get to the law firm and you don't see the lawyer that's in the TV commercial. Or you don't meet with a lawyer at all. Or the lawyer you meet with is not one that has a lot of experience in these kind of cases. But because you're there, and you found a parking spot and you took time out of your day to go to the law firm and they either sent some lawyer or some paralegal to meet with you, you feel compelled to sign their contract, hiring them. And then you get home and you think, you know what, that wasn't the same lawyer that inspired me to go to that place in the first article. So I wonder if that lawyer is even going to handle my case. So if you start having second thoughts, a lot of people think, oh, I've already signed up, I can't do anything about it. Well, that's not the case. The actual contract in Florida, hiring a law firm, expressly gives you 3 days to cancel the contract without a reason. And there's nothing that can be done by the law firm that you hired about that. So the way you would do it would be, you need to do it in writing, preferably an email that can be verified, i.e. you can print it out. Make sure you print out the sent message receipt showing that it actually left your inbox and you have the right email address for the firm. And just say, following our meeting, I've had second thoughts. I hereby terminate my contract that I signed on this particular day, and put the date in there. The other way you can do it is just by mail. If you want to date it for whatever day you decide to cancel the contract and send it in. So it's a simple process. The first 3 days, there's even no questions asked. In fact, even after 3 days, you can cancel a contract you signed with a law firm. And here's how that works, without any repercussions, that is. And here's how that works. As long as the law firm hasn't done substantial work on your case, they can't really claim a fee interest in your case later. And in personal injury cases, for the first 30 days, typically, there's not a lot that happens. We get insurance information. It usually takes about that long to get the insurance information. We send out letters preserving evidence. Aside from those things, there's not a lot that's going on that you could call substantial work. A law firm would have a real hard time justifying a fee interest in a matter that you just signed a contract in less than a month ago, or even 2 months ago. So if it's within the first 60 or 90 days from the date you signed the contract, you shouldn't have any problem getting out of that contract free of charge too. Same process, send something in writing, terminating the agreement, put the date that you signed the agreement if you recall. Now, other people ask, okay, what about if it's past 60 days? What is the process for that? Well, that's a case-by-case basis. Sometimes there's no problem at all. Other times it involves negotiation. And if it's too far down the road, a lawyer that you talk to that you're trying to get your case moved to will tell you the truth most of the time, or I know I will. If it's too far along in the process and the law firm's probably going to request a fee anyway, it's probably too late to move your case. But here's the good news. The good news is, even if you're in a situation where it's past 60 days, you've already hired this law firm, maybe they're not communicating well enough with you, maybe you hadn't seen a hide nor hair of the person that's in the TV ad since the first day you showed up, hadn't heard from anybody, and you're ready to get another opinion. Is there anything that prevents one law firm from giving a client who has already signed up with another law firm any advice? And the answer is no. You can call 28 lawyers if you want to, even after you've signed up with another law firm, and get advice from that lawyer, another lawyer. So the bar actually encourages people to sign up with other lawyers, to talk with other lawyers if they have the need for a second opinion. So I would encourage everybody out there, if you're having second thoughts about your lawyer that you hired and it's within the first 3 days, go ahead and cancel the contract and reassess, okay? Number two, if it's past 3 days and it's within 60 days, you're probably not going to have any trouble firing that law firm. Go ahead and do it and reassess. If it's past 60 days or you feel like the law firm's done substantial work on your case, it's going to be harder, and so you probably should call another lawyer first and tell the lawyer the situation before you terminate your services, okay? The reason for that is jumping from lawyer to lawyer is not something you should do without proper consideration, because it doesn't look great to the insurance company if you're jumping around from lawyer to lawyer. However, if you make a change before the insurance company even knows you hired another firm, or you make a change before one law firm has done work on the file, then it's not as big of a deal to your case. So, long and short of it is this. Yes, you have the right to fire your lawyer after you've signed the contract. Yes, you have the right to do so without any repercussions. And yes, that is possible even after 60 days from the contract. And last, and most importantly, you have the right to get a second opinion from any law firm at any time about the progress of your case. So feel free to reach out to us or any other law firm to ask opinions about the work that's being done for you by the one that you hired. You can find us on the web at ZarzaurLaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.